A few basic steps to follow before we start this business presentation. You need to turn off your video. You turn off your video, the clarity of the call increases. Mic, we have already muted. We suggest that you flow through this presentation with a notebook and a pen. You need a notebook and a pen to go through this presentation so that you can make your notes while we are guiding you through this business presentation. Get yourself a nice cup of tea and coffee and sit back and relax. We welcome you to the Winning Team Education System, Global Consumer Empowerment Opportunity. Well, friends, in a volatile situation that you and I are going through, a very different phase of life, our ability to know how to think is far better than knowing what to think. In other words, what we think really doesn't matter. How we think does. COVID-19, in many ways, is a game changer. It is true that COVID-19 has taken away a lot of things from us, but COVID-19 has also given us a lot of things. So there are two eras that you and I are living in, pre and post-COVID era. And if you look at how industry has transformed during this last 3 months, say maybe beginning of February to now month of May, 4 months, and a lot of things has changed in the industry. Tourism and leisure, down and out. Experts say this was the first industry to get affected, and it will be the last to get resurrected. Aviation, badly hit. Automobile sector, not a single vehicle sold in the last month of the lockdown period. I don't have the statistics of this month. Construction and real estate at its all-time low. Manufacturing in my country, India, the government has kept aside 20 lakh crores to help boost the SME sector. And even this funds is not going to suffice. That is the kind of losses that they have suffered. Financial services are in a disarray. Complete breakdown in the system, no investments happening whatsoever. Education was considered to be one of the most secure industries. You get a teacher's job and that was considered like paradise. Well, that very secure job is no more secure. That industry is not secure anymore. I know of so many schools that have shut down. I know of so many teachers who have lost their job. I know of so many schools who are contemplating on opening up in the month of October. Some in the Middle East are already planning to open in January 2021. Oil and gas at its all-time low. So who are the potential winners during this time? In the post-COVID era, you're going to see an awesome rise in agriculture. Demand for food is definitely going to increase, and agriculture is definitely going to boom. E-commerce is going to rise and shine. Information communication technology, the very platform that you and I are communicating right now, is through information communication technology, and this is going to increase. Artificial intelligence is going to increase. Robotics is going to increase. Personal and healthcare is another industry to watch out for. Food processing and retail, medical supply and services. And well, this is the most opportune time for Ayurveda, because Ayurveda is all about the science of life, wellness. So take a good look at this slide, friends. We are going to show you this slide one more time, because we're going to correlate something that we want to share with you. So now you are here to make a business decision. This is very important for you to know where you are going to place your cards. So welcoming you to this presentation to give you some facts update, which you already are aware of. 40 million jobs at risk if no strong steps are taken. Last week, 2 weeks back, old report. And this is mentioned by the Chief of Federation of India Chamber of Commerce and Industry. The Khaleej Time reported 2 weeks back that the Indian mission is opening up a repatriation desk. There are people coming in millions from abroad who have lost their job, lost their salaries. Half of the world's workers could soon be jobless, reports Khaleej Times. Well, if all this is what COVID has taken, what has COVID given? Well, COVID has given us a solution: work from home. government agencies, educational institutes, private sectors have all adopted to work from home solutions, and they are busy. So before we venture into exploring this business, we have a certain set of questions for you. Your job, your business, your finance, and your health. Are you secure? Have you substituted your income? Who wakes you up? Your dreams wake you up, or your alarm wakes you up? If your alarm wakes you up, that is a warning bell. Your dreams should be waking you up. With an open mind, are you ready to explore an additional source of income? Are you ready to change your monthly expenses to an investment? Do you like to connect with people? Is there any work from home option that you're engaged in, which is giving revenue, generating money for you? How have you protected the health of your family? Well, the post-COVID era says lockdown will soon be down and out. There are many countries that have already opened up. In India, we have many green zone cities which have opened up. So what, are we going to roam around in plastic? No, not at all. Mask, gloves at the most. More than this, what? So how are you protecting the immune system of your family? Because COVID-19 has given us a very clear indication. That all those who have a weak immune system are the ones who fall easy prey to this virus. And those who have got a strong immune system are protected. And look at what presidents, prime ministers, kings, authorities of various nations are talking about. Sheikh Mohammed, the president of United Arab Emirates, was quoted saying in his tweet on the 10th of April, quote, "The coronavirus spread has shown that healthcare is the main power that shapes economy and politics at a time when a disease brought nations to a standstill." Unquote. Healthcare, primary word, wellness. But this very health is misunderstood. You know, health is a state of complete physical, mental, social well-being, and not merely the absence of disease and infirmity. I am not sick doesn't mean I am healthy. So what are the parameters to judge health? Well, you can gauge your health right now. You give yourself a rating from 1 to 5, 1 being the least, 5 being the most. Energy. As soon as you wake up in the morning, how energetic are you? Appetite. Does your hunger decide your appetite, or does the time decide your appetite? When do you eat? When you're hungry, or according to the time? Sleep. It is not important how long we sleep. What is important? How deep we sleep, how sound we sleep. Cleansing. Urination, stools, sweat, and monthly cycles for women. All this is natural, and this has to happen regularly. Fifth comes clarity of thought. Clarity of thought is not thinking good about myself. Clarity of thought is when I start thinking about others, the welfare of others, the well-being of others. Put these 5 on a scale, and you will be able to gauge your health right now. These are the 5 parameters to define health. How have you grown personally? How has your personality changed during this lockdown? Have you started setting goals? Have you started learning new things? Have you been reading books? Have you been attending some seminars which are enhancing your knowledge, your personality? How have you grown spiritually? And are you doing any work where you're going to be leaving a legacy behind? Please answer in yes or no. We are here for a strategic decision, friends. I told you at the beginning, this session is not for entertainment. It's a hardcore business presentation. Does your dream wake you up? Answer in yes or no. Do you want to secure yourself financially? Are you ready to explore an additional source of income? Are you ready to convert your monthly expenses to an investment? Do you like to connect with people? Do you want to explore a business which is work from home? And it is important the entire family watches this presentation, because the country that I belong to, my Prime Minister, from India has made a clarion call. The word in Hindi is to become Atmanirbhar, self-reliant. Well, self-reliant is not only one earning member of the family. The entire household has to become self-reliant. Because in the post-COVID era, friends, one family, one source of income is not going to suffice. We need multiple sources of income. Every member in the family has to contribute towards the economic growth of the family. Well, that is becoming self-reliant, not the father of the house who's the breadwinner. So ladies of the house need to wake up. No, I have never been at work before. I have never stepped out of the house, so I cannot be working. No, those excuses won't work. The wife has to be equally involved in the economics of the house. I have certain families where the wife has a secure job and the husband is taking care of the family. Well, that's a very practical way of life. Even in those families, I would say even in those families, now everybody has to get involved in the economic growth of the family. If children and elderly say, we are not in a position to earn, well, you help in saving. But you contribute. Even saving is earning. Work from home. Do you want to protect the health of your family and yourself? What are you doing to protect the immune system of your family? Are you willing to learn and develop new skill sets? Enhance your personality, enhance your spirituality. Do you want to leave a legacy behind? Friends, for any one of this question, if you have answered a yes, let me assure you, you are at the right place. Because on this platform, we believe in one thing, and that is time is money. 7 o'clock presentation starts at 7 o'clock, friends. We do a morning 11 o'clock program and we start at 11. We respect the time that you have given us and we appreciate that you are respecting our time. It's time is money. But how much time do you and I have? Limited. 24 hours. We are not working for 24 hours. Well, we earn for how much we work. And 24 hours is not what we are working. How much time do we have? 24 hours. But if we find a tool, a system to leverage our time, to leverage our effort, you could be a chartered accountant, a lawyer, a doctor, an engineer, a corporate trainer, a teacher, homemaker, student. This platform is open for all because we have a system here that helps us leverage our time and effort. You know, friends, I was reading a report where the figure is, it's very alarming. It's like 49 million people are marching towards below poverty line. Are you aware of that? 49 million people. See, there are already people who are below the poverty line. And 49 million new people on account of the lockdown and COVID-19 are entering below the poverty line. Can you tell me one reason why? Think. Is it because of the circumstances? Well, the circumstance is the same for all. It is not about the circumstance, friends. It's about your thought process, the way you think. If you're only going to think about saving, 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 you're going to be running into the below poverty line. I'm not demeaning saving. You and I have to save. But only thinking about saving is below poverty line. Why can't you and I think about earning, increasing our earning potential, increasing our earning possibilities? Many of my friends, after watching the presentation, they ask me, is this a job? I say, no, it's not a job. Welcome to an entrepreneur opportunity. Oh, no, we want a job. Why do you want a job? We want security. We want a secure career. We want a secure salary. We want to secure our family. We want secure relationships. If you're looking for so much of security, friends, you might end up in the prison because the prison is the most secure place. Full security, but no freedom. You and I want freedom and security. Make a choice. To understand this, friends, you need to know the philosophy of wealth creation. Nobody teaches us. No school, no college, no family teaches us the philosophy of wealth creation. There are 4 ways to produce income. You either become an employee or a self-employee, the left side. The right side is you become a business owner or an investor. Well, an employee and a self-employee, time makes money. They give their time, they trade their time against money. That income is active. Why active? They need to be present to make that money. So those of you who are working at home, you're still available at work. You're making money. For those of you who are not able to go to work, I'm sure your company must have sent you a letter. My friend, you are not able to come to work, so we can't pay you because you need to be present to make that money. Simple. Chartered accountants, lawyers, doctors, engineers, corporate trainers, self-employed. Doctor opens the clinic, money flows. Chartered accountant opens the clinic, office, money flows. Your entrepreneur friend opens his shop, money flows. But now shop is closed, clinic is closed. So income closed. Why? Active. They need to be present to make their money. Well, let's look at the left side. You are a business owner or an investor. A business owner sets a system. System makes money. For an investor, money makes money. And this income is passive income. Get this right. These are technical words. Words that are used in normal day life in all modern institutes. Passive, residual income. What would you like in life? Active income or passive income? It's an obvious choice. You will choose passive income like me. But then if you and I want passive income, we need to jump into business. But we have an allergy. We don't like investment. We don't like to take risks. And we definitely don't have the experience. Relax, friends. That is why the first slide of this presentation said, sit down with a cup of coffee. Relax. The opportunity, what we are going to share with you, involves no investment, no risk, and no experience required. So what are we discussing here? We are discussing a plan B, friends. Plan A, you already have. You have your existing business or job or whatever. Why don't you start working on a plan B? But you know, in the post-COVID era, what should be the criteria of the plan B? No investment, no risk, and income should be passive and residual. Your very friends, your own relatives are going to be knocking at your door. Wait and watch. A lot of Ponzi schemes will be floating in the market now. Quick income money. Put 2,000 rupees. After 5 months, it will become 10,000 rupees. It doesn't work that way. These are scams. Put 1 lakh rupees, bring more 2 people who can put 1 lakh rupees, you will make 5 lakh rupees. It doesn't work that way. Your plan B, friends, has to be online business ideas. Digital marketing. This is where you need to be. E-commerce. This is where you belong. If you are making money out of e-commerce, God bless, you're on the right track. But if you're only spending money on e-commerce, change. You need to think twice. I already told you what is it that is driving people below poverty line. So during the lockdown, what have the rich and business houses been busy with? What did the Ambanis do during the lockdown? They dug a new oil well. They set up a new factory. They put up a new shopping complex. Oh, I think they rolled out a new car. They're launching a new car. No, friends, nothing. They have come up with an online business idea. They have shaken hands with Facebook. And they're launching a new app called JioMart. They're connecting grocery stores with every house in the country. Online business idea. I hope you're able to connect the dots. What did Swiggy do? Swiggy went out of business in the first day of the lockdown. All restaurants shut. More than 1,100 people in Swiggy are about to lose their job. So Swiggy has got a new startup, Swiggy Genie, and they're connecting grocery stores with every house of the country. Online business ideas. So when we are talking of online business ideas, friends, have you got a clue of what is the next big thing? The next big thing is online business ideas and wellness. This is where you need to place your cards. It doesn't matter what your professional background is. Everyone can explore online business ideas and wellness. Friends, have you ever realized How did your phone become smart? What made your phone smart? Come on, everybody has got a smartphone, right? How did it become smart? You opened the box, new phone came out. It had a charger, earphone, whatever accessories. The phone was capable of making phone calls and receiving SMSs. That's all. The phone became smart when you downloaded smart applications. Smart applications make your phone smart. Your phone is not smart otherwise. Go to your Play Store now and download these two apps, Vestige Online Shopping app and Best Deals app. You can own Walmart without walls. You can own Flipkart without carts. We are offering you an online business idea for free. The first thing that you need to do after watching this presentation is calling up your friend who shared the link with you, because he's definitely one of your best well-wishers, giving you a free online business idea. What happens when you download Vestige Online Shopping app and Best Deals app, friends? This begins your journey into the consumer empowerment opportunity. Winning Team Education System calls this part of the presentation as a CEO, Consumer Empowerment Opportunity. What do we want you to do in the consumer empowerment opportunity? Simple. We want you to change your shop. You change your shop to Vestige Best Deals. Change your brand. Why? Because when you change your shop to Vestige Best Deals, your monthly expenses becomes your investment. And you know, this presentation is becoming so meaningful now because during the lockdown, you yourselves have realized what is important and what is not. What are the things that can wait and what are the things that can't? It has become clear. How many of you have bought a new television during the lockdown? How many of you have brought a new bike in the lockdown? How many of you have changed the furniture in the house in the lockdown? How many of you have brought new upholstery for the house? None of this has happened, friends. But during the lockdown, toothpaste, soap, detergent, dishwasher, floor cleaner, hand wash, hair oil. Are you able to connect? All these expenses are essentials. I mean, the lockdown can go on for a lifetime, but these products will be there in your house. You are going to some store and investing money, not investing, spending money. Money is not going to come back. It's a one-way traffic. And we have been doing this for years on together. When you swap your shop to Vestige Best Deals, your monthly expenses on these products becomes your monthly investment. How good is that? Change your shop now. The range is wide. We have health food, cooking oil, breakfast cereal, coffee, chocolate, protein powder. In personal care, we have got an awesome range of shampoos, soaps, talcum powder, creams, and whatever you can think of. In home care, we have the floor cleaner, liquid for detergent for clothes, for vessels. We have got a state-of-the-art plasma cluster technology from Sharp for air purifiers, which are to be fitted in every home, water purifier, an awesome range of color cosmetics. An additional 25% discount has already been announced on the essentials that you and I use at home. Change your shop now. We've got an awesome range of agri products, plant and soil nutrients, which can be very well used in the field of agriculture. And we've got a huge range of healthy food supplements. So here, when you're talking in terms of supplements like calcium, iron, folic, cranberry, and dietary fiber, protein, L-arginine, a wide range of food supplements. And very recently, the Institute for Functional Medicine released a dossier, COVID-19 nutraceutical and botanical recommendations for patients. And the supplements, nutraceutical supplements, what they have recommended is already available in Vestige. So here, friends, when we are talking in terms of boosting our immunity, our government, the Indian government, there is a ministry called Ministry of Ayush, which focuses only on the health care of the country. They have given us some preventive health measures to boost immunity. Number one is drink warm water throughout the day. 2, Practice yoga, meditation, contemplation for 30 minutes. You need to take a look at this slide very carefully because experts have formulated this. And if they have said 30 minutes, there must be science behind that 30 minutes. Use spices like turmeric, cumin, coriander, garlic in your cooking for your immune system. What does our ancient manuscript say? Our ancient scripture tells us food is the universe. Anna Purna Brahma hai. Those days were of the past, friends. Now Anna is Ardha Brahma, is not Purna Brahma. Modern medicine, the godfather of modern medicine, Hippocrates, mentioned, let food be thy medicine, medicine be thy food. Well, he wrote this when food had so much of nutrition. Today, there is plenty of food. We live in a time of surplus. But what about nutrition? Don't tell me that your food is nutritious, because if your food was nutritious, these wouldn't have been the common deficiencies. Leave aside Corona, COVID-19. That came only now. But these are the pandemics that we are facing from before. Lower hemoglobin levels, deficiency of vitamin B12, vitamin D3. Aging has become a common cause of concern, aging faster than what we should be. Sedentary lifestyle habits. If the color of your tea is this, awesome, you're having the right tea. But if you're adding milk and having tea, that's poison. Food is plenty, friends, but that is also giving rise to childhood obesity, PCO symptoms in young girls, infertility, acidity, stress. Look at what we can see. People are just mocked by COVID-19. Well, there are a lot of other things that already exist. Cancer, diabetes, anxiety, thyroid, obesity, PCOS, heart disease, hormonal imbalance, hypertension. This is what you and I can see. You know what we can't see? What we can't see is processed food, stress, lack of sleep, smoking alcohol, lack of socializing, inactivity, and unhealthy diet. So if you and I want to change the fruit, we have to start working on the root. To top it all, we have lost out on a very important taste in our diet. Welcome to my dinner. I'm serving this meal to you right now. Okay, so welcome. And I have put a lot of effort to get you the best of best. What all tastes can you see? Sweet, salt, spice, something is tangy. We call that chutney in India. So something is tangy. Can you see anything bitter? That's the problem. We have lost the most important taste, and that is the bitter taste in our diet. Whatever is bitter on the tongue is good for health. Whatever is sweet on the tongue is not good for health. And what have we got? Everything but bitter. When we start consuming healthy food supplements, our healthy food supplements are bitter in taste. So are you able to connect the dots of science? Why do people feel so nice, so fresh, so energetic after they start consuming food supplements? No magic. The most important taste which is missing in your diet is supplemented with food supplements. You know, we avoid this taste for a long time in our life, and then we take ill. Then we visit a doctor. Doctor gives us a prescription. We go and buy the medicines. What is the taste of medicines? Bitter. So if there is no bitter in your diet, you will be having bitter in pills. So it's better to bring back the bitter taste. Sedentary lifestyle, fridge, refrigerator in every home. Food, how many days you keep, you decide, not for very long days. But don't keep water in your fridge. If you're drinking water out of your fridge, that's an open invitation for a lot of health hazards. Man, Ayush, there are experts who are recommending to you drink warm water. If there is potable drinking water in your fridge, get rid of it now. Lifestyle changes. Eat your food with your family. Sit down, relax, and enjoy your meal. This is what COVID-19 has given us. Man, we had lost this, and it's coming back to us. Best of the time that you can do is your dining table. You spend good time eating, talking, sharing, arguing, whatever it may be on the dining table. Your washroom experience will be 5 minutes. But if you're going to eat your food fast, your washroom experience will be 25 minutes. Think where you want to spend more time. Chatting or choice is yours. Big misunderstanding in the field of parenting, major. You know, in the language that I belong to, Hindi, from my country, India, the spelling and the pronunciation of these two words is very similar. The school sends a message, बच्चों के पोषण पे ध्यान दो. What the school is trying to say, portion as in nutrition. Parents have misunderstood and they're thinking portion, syllabus. And they are focused on the portion of their children. School is there to take care of that. You take care of the diet of your children. So when you and I were writing an examination, and when the main answer sheet got over, we put up our hand and we asked for supplement. Do you remember? Supplement. Because why? Main answer sheet is over, but you still have to write. Similarly, friends, look at the plate that you're eating your food from today. Your plate is echoing loud that supplement in nutrition is missing. You need to put your hand up and ask for food supplements. So in school, you and I asked for paper supplements. Now you and I have to put up and ask for food supplements. Food supplements has a simple criteria: natural and economical. Keep this in mind. Food supplements should be natural and economical. So here, friends, we've got a wide range to choose from. But we are not going to the entire grind. You can attend a health workshop, or we would recommend a CNT from Vestige, which gives you a total insight of the entire range of products. What we are going to touch upon is basic. Air, food, and water is all covered. A lot of people have a lot of questions. Who should eat? How long should we eat? How much should we eat? Is there any side effect? Why Vestige? You know, while eating junk food, nobody asks side effect. But when you're eating healthy food supplements, everybody will ask too many questions. But you have to answer them politely. From age 1 day old to a senior citizen in the family, everybody needs supplements. Everybody needs. How much? I would say even too much is little, because our body is famished for nutrition. Our stomach is full, but the body is craving for nutrition. So don't hesitate in the quantity, as much as you can. How long? At least for 90 days. And then you decide if it is doing you good, you continue. All sicknesses, any type of sickness, because supplements are not medicines. Supplements work on the body, body works on the disease. Is there any side effect? No, there is absolutely no side effect. Why are we so confident? Because our supplements are natural. Anything that is natural, friends, does not have side effect or withdrawal symptom. Pure, simple science. So once again, reminding you, food supplements are not medicines. So the condition is more important than the disease. So while recommending food supplements to people who are either sick, because normally people wait, they don't believe in preventive maintenance. Only after they take ill, they will come to you. Do you have any supplements? Now we are sick. And we are telling them to maintain their health. They don't want to do that. Look at these three friends. All three are diabetic, but their condition is different. The one standing on his feet even does not give an appearance that he is diabetic. He looks fit and fine. Why? He maintains his diet. He's regular with his medication. He's regular with his checkup. And he has changed his lifestyle. And he's maintaining his diabetes. Even one glucohealth, neem, flax oil, coconut oil will do him good results. But our friend next to him, he's already bent, back pain, knee pain, he's still feeling lethargic during the day, could not sleep well at night, frequent urination even at night. So maybe he's already on insulin dependent. He's already bent. This gentleman will have to take a little more supplements. Few won't work. And our third friend is already bedridden. Maybe he suffered a paralysis. He had some burning sensation on his feet. Now, how much do you think supplements he should take? He needs to take more. Because friends, the condition matters, not the disease. And bear this in mind, supplements are not medicines. To boost our immune system, we have come up with some packs. The Winning Team Education System got an entire panel together. Experts from the field of modern medicine, Ayurveda, homeopathy, pharmaceutical background came together and designed this immunity booster pack. The basic pack comprises of spirulina, avla, curcumin, Panch Tulsi and Giloy Plus. The premium pack consists of spirulina, avla, curcumin, sea buckthorn, coconut oil, Gano coffee, Punch Tulsi, and Giloy Plus. If you're watching this presentation in Dubai, in the Middle East, your immunity booster pack is spirulina, avla, flax oil, colostrum, and rice bran oil. Coconut oil, friends, is an excellent tonic for the brain. It boosts digestion, but it is an amazing booster for the brain and immune system. Sea buckthorn is a rich source of 3, 6, 7, and 9 omega fatty acids. It's a rich source of vitamin C. Colostrum is excellent to boost your immune system and balance your hormonal imbalances. Spirulina is a superfood. 1-day-old babies who don't get mother's milk are given spirulina by World Health Organization. And superfood is a title that WHO has given spirulina. This can easily substitute mother's milk. Right from a 1-day-old baby to astronauts going in space from NASA, their staple diet is spirulina. This should be sitting on our dining table. Wide range of amino acids, vitamins, minerals, all found in this nutritious food. Avla, rich source of vitamin C. And what has the Institute of Functional Medicine to say about vitamin C? Vitamin C contributes to immune defense by supporting various cellular functions. And the immune system, vitamin C has been used in hospital ICUs to treat COVID-19 infection. 1 gram to 3 gram orally daily. That is the power that is there in Avla. And then comes curcumin. Look at what the Institute of Functional Medicine has to say about curcumin. 500 milligram to 1000 milligram twice daily. Curcumin has shown to reduce inflammation and decrease viral activity of COVID-19. It enhances immune system, decreases viral growth, and reduces symptoms. What more can you ask for in this time, friends? Your family and my family needs curcumin now. When you talk in terms of the magical herb, the king of herbs, Ganoderma, well, it's a rasayan. Why? It's an adaptogen, anti-aging, nutritive, antioxidant, immunomodulator. 5 properties in one herb. That is why considered as the king of herbs. And we have put the benefits of these herbs in a coffee. Daily detox, daily panchakarma. Immune system booster, Tulsi, holy basil. A unique formulation which is available on Best Deals to lower fever, boost our immune system. A Giloy is a tree, is a herb that is found widely in various places. This juice should be there in every home. So when you start consuming food supplements, friends, what can you be assured of? We can assure you of 5 things. Energy, appetite, sleep, cleansing, and clarity of thought. And well, this was the definition that I gave you of good health. We have got our immunity booster pack. What about you? We have empty templates like this. You need to put the photograph of your family and flash it on social media. But don't just tell me, friends, show me. See what supplements can do. Weighing 98 kilos for 15 years, waist size 39. Now waist size 34, weighing around 80 kgs, 18 kgs drop. And that's me making this presentation to you. Shri Sebastian from Pune, India. This is another friend of mine from Pune, Eknath Kumbar. If we have a technical, he's traveled a little far away. He's gone to his native place. If we don't have a technical glitch, he will be doing the health workshop tomorrow in Hindi. Meet a criminal lawyer from Pune, Advocate Sandeep Deshpande, weighing 155 kgs. And just with the help of supplements and change in lifestyle. Advocate Sandeep Deshpande is running at an average of about 110 kgs now. A young banker from the heart of India, Jabalpur. See the before and after effect. It is not that the supplements don't have effect on women. A lot of women are beneficiaries of the supplements. But it is not easy to showcase photographs of women in a public forum and a public domain. Diseases, friends, we've got some awesome testimonials. You name it, and we have testimonials. You want testimonials on hypertension, on cholesterol, on arthritis, on diabetes, on chronic kidney, heart failure, depression, Alzheimer's, chronic obstructive pulmonary. We can give you testimonials. But reminding you again, Food supplements work on the body. Why? The body is the best doctor. The supplements strengthen the body fights the disease. So forget the old tree, friends. We don't want to think about it. Let's think of a healthy tree of life. A healthy tree of life consists of roots which are embedded in a healthy lifestyle and food supplements. You can order these supplements now. Place your orders now. Best Deals has got a rich source of products that are available. You've got an awesome range of products and also a lot of benefits on Best Deal. What we are trying to tell you, friends, that 55% of your household expenses is going to be on wellness products. This is the post-COVID era, the pie chart. 27% of your expenses is going to be on cosmetics and personal care. 3% of your expenses will be on home care. You know, I just recently did my shopping. That's me in this picture. I tried to do my shopping from Vestige store and it fits the bill exactly. 55% I spent on wellness products, 27% on cosmetic and personal care, 3% on home care. Well, some of you are disagreeing. No, we don't have so much expense on wellness products. Were you buying masks before COVID-19? Now what, do you have bought one mask for the entire family or one mask per member of the family? Just wait for the lockdown to get over. The women of our house are very color sensitive. Red dress, red mask. Green dress, green mask. In Kerala, there is a printing house that has started printing your face on the mask so that even when you wear the mask, people know who is behind the mask. And there is a queue outside his shop to get the mask printed. Innovative idea, online idea. 55%. Were you buying sanitizers before? No. Now forget in your house, every pocket there is a sanitizer. Your expenses on wellness is going to increase. There is personal care, there is home care. Friends, 85% of your household expenses can become your fixed income. Change your shop now. You are here to take a business decision. Look at the graphics. Look at the industries which are growing. Everywhere there is a star, Vestige Best Deals is present. So you're taking a very optimum and a right business decision today. Wellness and online, the next big thing. Vestige has been serving the market since 2004, a company of Indian origin based out of Delhi with 2 outlets in 2004, Delhi and Bangalore. Today, 2,000 outlets across Kashmir to Kanyakumari, Gujarat to Arunachal. 2,000 stores where you can physically buy the products. Or you can place an order online. Within 3 to 4 working days, products delivered anywhere in India. Even during the lockdown, Vestige has been moving mountains to get products across to our doorstep. 16 years serving the market, and what has it achieved? Best Company of the Year Award. Best Nutraceutical Company of the Year Award. Best Employer Brand. Global HR Excellence Award. A whooping 79% per annum compound annual growth rate. You could be an economist, an analyst, a chartered accountant who's watching this presentation. And friends, 3 things is what is contributing to the compound annual growth rate of Vestige. One is the quality of the products, truly international, economically priced, more than economically priced, and available online and offline. Internationally, Vestige is ranked 30th among the top 100 companies in the world and the only Indian company to feature in the top 100 list. What more can you ask for? We want to introduce you to our managing director and founder, Mr. Gautam Bali, under whose able leadership, Vestige has been steering new heights. Compound annual growth rate 79% per annum, ranked 30th in the world. My country's Prime Minister recently raised a slogan, make local vocal. Whoa. We have been doing that for the past 16 years, making local vocal and global. Vestige is now operating in UAE, in Bahrain, Oman, Saudi Arabia, Bangladesh, Thailand, very soon Philippines, Nigeria, Ghana. Because friends, We think global and we act local. Change your shop now. International outlets, state-of-the-art training facilities, meeting rooms. But since social distancing is not allowing us to invite you to our office, all our training programs are free online. Business orientation programs online. Health and wellness online. Agriculture training programs online. Cosmetics and personal care online. You want to enhance your leadership skills online. You want to change the way you think online. So first we offered you an online business idea for free, and now we are connecting you to online training for free. A tried, tested, and trusted brand is knocking at your door. Change your shop, change your brand now. How do you get started? You fill a form. It's simple. Share some of the details with the friends who invited you, your name, address, date of birth, mobile number, email address, a clear picture of your photo ID. If you're watching this presentation in the Middle East, it's your Emirates ID. In Bahrain, it's your CPR, whatever is your document. In India, it could be a copy of your driving license or your Aadhaar card. And your journey begins. You get a unique customer ID. The moment you fill a form, friends, you become an online global business owner for free. Amazing discounts, offers with your customer ID. 10 to 20% discount on the MRP every time you buy the products. 10% worth products free every time you buy the products. You buy products for 3,500 rupees and do it consecutively for 4 months. In the 5th month, you take home 2,500 worth products free. It's a super saver, friends. Understanding this, completing this, and recommending it to family and friends is important. 2,500 worth products free for a consistent shopping of 3,300 for 4 consistent months. Friends, you have been going to some store and making your shopping. Well, you're in India, you would be going to a Star, a Big, a Fresh, a Mart, or some local grocery. In the Middle East, you could be going to a Nesto, to a Fatima, to a, I would say, a Lulu, a Carrefour. Where have you been getting an X amount of products free every 5th month? And this is what Vestige has to offer. This is not all. Whatever shopping you do, there are points. Every product has points. These points are calculated every month. And between the 10th and the 12th of month, every month, money is credited to your account according to your shopping. Which shop has credited money to your bank? For the past 16 years, Vestige has been empowering consumers by giving back to consumers what is duly and rightly theirs. Don't be confused. You and I are not going to be selling products. Oh, do I have to go door to door selling oil and soap and shampoo and toothpaste and supplements? No. You are buying. You're changing your shop and you are buying. You make points, gets calculated, gets credited to your bank. When you recommend this store to your family and friends, your customer ID is linked with their customer ID. And whatever shopping your friends also do, those points are also credited to your account. There is a percentage of calculation and money is credited to your bank. If you're watching this presentation in the Middle East, similar system there. 270 dirham worth products free for 4 consistent months. 5th month, 218 dirham worth products free. In the Middle East, the money you get across the counter in cash. How does this happen, friends? Simple. Take a look at this chart. You have a manufacturer and you have a consumer, right? Products don't come directly to a consumer. They come through a channel called advertisement. And this is a multi-million-dollar industry. It's not easy to get celebrities to endorse your products. It's very expensive. You have leading stars from the movie industry. You have leading celebrities from sports area who come and endorse a product. You think they're doing it for free? No way. They have their fee. And who do you think is paying for that advertisement? You and I, the consumer. You and I are not only paying money for the product, but we are also paying for the advertisement. Get this right. A leading actor might come and tell you that if you've got a headache, you need to use red oil. Well, in India, you'll see this advertisement. You think he said it for free? A film actress will stand with a soap in her hand and she'll say that she used this soap and she became fair. The whole country is trying to become fair. Nobody became fair. But you think she did it for free? No way. It's a multi-million-dollar industry. In Vestige Best Deals, there is no advertisement. Get this right. 16 years in the industry. This industry is 100 years old. And Vestige has been using this philosophy for the past 16 years successfully. No advertisement, so recommendation. Family and friends are recommending this store to their family and friends either through direct contact or through social media. When you start by using the products, Vestige says, thank you so much. You are a loyal consumer of Vestige. So this is the money that we have saved on advertisement and this is yours. When you start recommending it to your family and friends, not selling product friends, we are only asking them to change their shop and do their own shopping. When they start doing that, Vestige says, thank you so much. You are now recommending our store to others. This is the points that you get, and this is the extra money for recommendation. You and I don't remain consumers. We become smart consumers. It's basic logic. How has social media grown? You think social media grew out of advertisement? No, friends. How did you join Facebook? Come on, give me a good example. How did you join Facebook? You think some leading star from the movie world came and told you the world's best book, Facebook, and you joined? No, your friends and family told you, hey, we are doing Facebook. You're not on Facebook. You opened an account. Same WhatsApp, same Instagram. That is the power of word of mouth. Don't underestimate the power of word of mouth. You liked a movie, you recommended it to your family and friends. And they went and watched the movie. How did you benefit? You ate at a fancy restaurant. You liked the food. You recommended it to another 10 friends. They went and ate. How did you benefit? Nothing. Well, Vestige does not be ungrateful for these recommendations we make. They pay us back. Friends who are watching this presentation, there are so many who are taking around 5,000 to 10,000 rupees per month out of this store. There are so many who are taking home 30 to 50,000 per month. There are so many who are making a lakh of rupees per month. That could be close to 10,000 dirham a month out of this store. Realize the potential. You need to buy smart and be smart. Because friends, I told you in the beginning, who wakes you up? Your dreams or an alarm? Vestige has the power to make your dreams come true. Whoa, I don't understand. How can all this be possible? How can dreams come true by changing my shop? Do you think in this system dreams are not coming true? Look at it. I know of film stars who are in deep debt, and only out of the money they made out of advertising, they were able to clear all their debt. There are so many movie stars who have made homes out of the money that they make out of endorsements of brands. But there only few people's dreams are coming true. In our system, you and I are making our dreams come true. An early retirement, financial freedom, dream house, a luxury car outside the house, making parents happy, traveling around the world, higher education for children, could be settling off children and getting them married, social service. You think all these things are possible with what you're doing right now? If yes, good for you. But if you are looking for a platform for financial freedom, for an early retirement, for your dream house, a luxury car, comfort for your parents, traveling around the world, higher education for children, and also social service, change your shop now. Because when you adopt to Vestige Best Deals, you take home 7 types of income: retail profit, performance bonus, director bonus, leadership overriding bonus, car fund, house fund, travel fund. No shop is getting us into a partnership with them, friends. They're all growing by the numbers. They started with a small shop, now they have become a mall. And Vestige is co-partnering with us. We become partners with Vestige. 7 types of income. Common sense, friends. You buy a toothpaste from any X store, X brand. You press the tube in the morning. What comes on your brush? Toothpaste. We are telling you change your shop. Buy your paste from Vestige, Dentasure. If you want a herbal toothpaste, there's Gano paste. You press the tube. Paste comes on your brush. Money comes to the account. How good is that? What comes out of your soap and shampoo? Foam. What comes out of our soap and shampoo? Foam and money in the bank. When we pour oil in the pan, oil burns, but money comes to the account. What happens with the oil in your house? Only burn, burn, burn. When the ladies in my house are using cosmetics, money is coming in the account. When my friends are using agri products, money is coming to their account. When we are consuming food supplements for our own health, money is coming to the account. Change your shop now. You have 2 options in front of you. You can either choose to be a consumer, buy products. So we've given you a full glimpse of the range of the products that are available. Connect with the friends who share this link with you. They'll send you a PDF copy of the brochure. You can go through the entire products. Make your own shopping. Become a smart consumer. Welcome board. Or you want to become an entrepreneur. You want to set up your own business. You want to scale it up to the next level. You want to plan making ₹1,00,000 per month, 10,000 dirham per month. Well, whatever is your choice, the most ideal start in this journey is a fast start 8%. Ask your friends who shared this link with you how to become a fast start 8% and start your journey as a fast start 8%. How to become a smart entrepreneur is to become a fast start bronze director. So yeah, friends, to build a global business, you need a global platform, and you've got an awesome platform called Vestige. You also need an education system, which is truly global, and we have Winning Team Education System. Download the Winning Team app now. We are empowering people to realize their dreams by providing them the best education to build a long-term, duplicable, sustainable, profitable, and the biggest independent Vestige business with values and principles. This is the USP of Winning Team Education System. It's the fastest growing education system, teaching you how to build this business. Our chief mentor, Mr. S.P. Barrel, has been awarded as a 50 Global Most Admired Indians for his contribution in this industry. The Winning Team Education System platform is for transformation. We don't believe in motivation, friends, because motivation is temporary. Transformation is permanent. Your personality begins to change. The way you connect with people changes. You make short-term goals, long-term goals. You have dreams. You enhance the way you speak, the way you communicate. You learn how to become digitally savvy. This is what Winning Team does. And it also enhances your spirituality, because Winning Team teaches you to share. You have got a good opportunity with you. Now share it with your family and friends. And sharing is not a common habit. People don't like to share. Selfish we have become. Winning Team Education System teaches us to become selfless. Give. And you know what, friends? Whichever religion you belong to, all our religious beliefs teaches us one thing. Those who learn to give can sleep well. Those who only take and receive don't sleep well. 2 questions are running in your mind, friends, nothing more. How are you going to build this business? And why are you going to build this business? Don't worry about the how. Connect with your friends who have shared this link with you, and they will tell you how to build this business. You've got the entire Winning Team Education System with you. You are not alone in this journey. Join our family. But why you are going to build this business is an answer you have to give. What is the dream that you want to realize from this platform? What is the hidden dream that you have? This platform has the power to make these dreams come true, friends. Say hello to my daughter Pearl. She's standing next to her fully automatic Baleno. I gifted her this car through the Vestige Car Fund. There are more than 5,000 people. I have a friend of mine, Mr. Eknath Kumbar, who's got a 15 lakh worth sunroof, Verna, parked outside his house. There are 5,000 people like us who have driven home a car through the Vestige Car Fund. And there are more than 300 people who have got a luxury car parked outside their house. So if you ask us, friends, what is the benefit of changing the shop? Well, I changed my shop and a car came home. From my toothpaste comes a car. From my oil comes a car. From the cosmetics my daughters and my wife are using comes out a car. What about yours? Change your shop now. You need to have these smart apps on your phone. Three apps can make you and your phone smart. Vestige Online Shopping app, Best Deals app, and the Winning Team Education app. And this I'm giving you as a business strategy. For those of you who are wondering how to build this business, think about it. How many friends and families do you know who have smartphones? Well, the list is unending. Everybody has a smartphone. Well, how many of them can you influence to download these three apps on their phone? Your business is on, friends. Online trainings, webinars, every step of the way. We've been very busy during the lockdown also. Webinars on ships, webinars across places. Even during the lockdown, people introducing 40 plus people from social media in less than 20 days. Every day in the evening at 4:30, we have a session called Ask the Expert. Because all your doubts, friends, you consult those who have invited you for this presentation, who have shared the link with you. Ask experts from this industry. You don't go and counsel the wrong people. You want to become a chartered accountant? Go and talk to a chartered accountant. Don't go and talk to an engineer that you want to become a chartered accountant. You want to set up a business? Don't go and ask somebody who's already in job how to build a business. He's not going to advise you the right thing. Ask the expert. And your friend who shared this link with you is your expert. Every day in the morning, we have 11 o'clock presentation on the next big thing in Hindi. And then every day in the evening at 7 o'clock, we meet again. English, Hindi, we keep changing. Health is common thing that we share during the evening presentation. Sundays, we have a mompreneur, women's empowerment. Today, we had 300 women who are participating in this program at 2, and about 12 ladies spoke about how they have changed their economic status in their house. International leadership, friends, events and recognitions, and an amazing real-time winning attitude success testimonial book. In this book, friends, we have chartered accountants, lawyers, doctors, engineers, people from the pharma industry, bankers, students, homemakers, cosmetologists, beauticians, entrepreneurs, business owners, a wide classification of people who are building this business. You know why? Because they have got a global platform and they have a global education system. So friends, you are at the right place today. This is the right time. And this is the right decision. If your dreams are waking you up, you are at the right place. If you want to explore an online business, you are at the right place. If you want to be a part of the next big thing, you are at the right place. Are you ready to explore additional source of income? You are at the right place. Are you ready to convert your monthly expenses to an investment? You are at the right place. Do you like to connect with people? You are at the right place. Are you looking for and exploring an opportunity which is work from home? You are at the right place. Do you want to leverage your time and effort? You are at the right place. You want to protect the immunity of your family and yourself? You are at the right place. You want to learn new skill sets. You are willing to learn and develop personally and spiritually. You are at the right place. You want to leave a legacy behind? You are at the right place. Because friends, the world has changed. What about you? Hashtag work from home.